All right, this video is going to walk you through the process and how you're going to find the equation of a parabola that models the path of an object that's been thrown through the air. In this case, it's a snowball. And this snowball travels at a total distance of 8 feet in the picture, and it also reaches a maximum height of 16 feet. With that information, we need to take and go through these steps. First, we're going to find the vertex, then write an equation with that vertex information given to you, then substitute a working point that it also goes through, and then solve for A. Once we have A, then we'll have all the parts that are necessary to write the equation. So here we go. Let's find the vertex first. To find the vertex, we're going to look at how far the ball or the snowball has been thrown. It goes a total distance right here of 8 feet. Since parabolas are symmetrical, you're going to then chop that distance in half. So I know this x value is going to be, this x value is going to be 4 feet. And it also reaches a maximum height of 16. So there's our first part. Our vertex is at 4, 16. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to write our equation. So our equation then is going to be y equals a x minus 4 squared plus 16. Now remembering that when we write the equation of our parabola, that the parenthesis part is always opposite what you see right here. So since it's positive 4 to the right, we wrote x minus 4 squared. All right, now the next thing we need to do is substitute a point. A point that we could be using off of this picture is a point that you see, for example, like the y-intercept right here. It crosses here at 0, 6. I could also use this point over here, which is the exact same height as that it was thrown at. And this is going to be at 8, 6. It does not matter which point you pick. But since I like working with smaller numbers, I'm going to choose 0, 6. So we'll use 0, 6. Now that means 0 goes in for x and 6 goes in for y. So then, if I go to the equation up here then, I'll substitute that information in. So then I'll have 6 equals a. Then I got 0 minus 4 squared plus 16. And then the next thing you need to focus on is what is this 0 minus 4 squared? Well, 0 minus 4 is negative 4, and negative 4 squared is 16. So then my new equation then turns into 6 equals 16a plus 16. Then to finish solving this, you're going to subtract 16 to both sides. And 6 minus 16 will give me negative 10. So then I got negative 10 equals 16a. And then from there, we want to divide by 16 to both sides, like you see here. And then finally, our A answer is going to be A equals negative 10 over 16. Now, since they're both even, and I know this fraction reduces, I'm going to reduce that down to negative 5 over 8. That is the stretch factor of our parabola equation, which we need to write in right there. So to finish off the question, when you ask the question, what is the equation of this parabola that models the path of the snowball, it's going to be y equals negative 5/8 x minus 4 squared plus 16. That's it. And now you've got the problem completed, and hopefully you too can figure out your question.